In this how-to video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil service light reset on a 2017 BMW X1. We're located inside the vehicle. We've got the key inside the interior, and we have the hood closed. First thing we're going to do is push the start-stop button one time. All the lights on the dash will come up, and when they all go away and the check engine light is all that's remaining. Next, we'll just clear through the check control messages by pushing the button that's on the side of this stock over here, and we'll get to this menu. We'll then push this button on the bottom left of the instrument cluster, push and hold it. The trip will zero out and then return, and that'll bring up the service menu. So right now we're going to be doing an oil service reset, but to cycle through the menu, once you've pulled the menu up, you just push the button and it will rotate through the vehicle services, the brake fluid, vehicle check. So you want to get to the service that you're going to reset, you'll push and hold the button, let go when the reset question mark comes up, and then push and hold again. And when it says reset in progress, you can go ahead and let go. It'll say reset successful. Hope this video was helpful.